Inbox placement testing.
The next thing we're going to do here is go through our first tool in the inbox placement test, which is part of our deliverability tools package. And the point of the inbox placement tester is so that you can get an idea of where your email is going to land before you actually send your big campaign. So what we're doing here is providing you with 19 seed accounts that you can go ahead and send email to us, and we'll go ahead and give you back the results of where your email was landed on different platforms. So I do have one running that's in the background here, as it does take a few minutes. So I wanted to walk through the process of how to create that. And then as that's happening, our results are coming in. So I can go ahead and do a test of some sort. We'll call it my second test. And I have different providers here that I can check, which is AOL, Comcast, Gmail, GMX, Hotmail, things of this nature. So I can go ahead and pick all of these, or I can, remove one. So I'll go ahead and remove one, hit create new test. And what's happening here is it's generating me this copy test code. And so what you're going to want to do is this code needs to be in the subject line or in the actual body of the email address. And then you want to copy and paste all of these different emails and put them onto its own mailing list. And you're welcome to call them something like, a seed test list or an inbox placement test with ZeroBounce. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to send you're going to send your campaign, you're going to send it to us, and you're just going to add that code to the subject line so we can make sure we get you your results. Once you do that, you go ahead and just literally, it's actually really simple. Copy this, put it in the email, copy this, and send it to us as a list, and send your email. We give you up to 2 hours to go ahead and get that information to start processing here. You can see 120 minutes. In 4 minutes, I'm already getting results back. 63% of my emails have gone into the inbox. And if I go ahead and expand the results, because again, I just want to speed up some time here. If I expand the results, you'll start to see where these results went and which platform. So for AOL, I inboxed, all these ones I've inboxed, and we're still waiting on mail.ee. We're still waiting on free.fr, Rambler, things of that nature. So we're still waiting on it. But some really important ones here that you obviously want to make sure you're looking at is, Gmail, your AOLs, your Comcast. These are just, Hotmail. Again, really important, really well-known. Yahoo. These are just big emails that most likely you do have customers on your database that are using. So we're trying to cover the most that we can. If you're finding that something went into the spam folder, this is exactly your opportunity to try to figure out why and change things and send another test through. So don't get discouraged. This tool is to help you. This tool is to give you insight before you send your campaign out. And what we're doing is giving you the results right in your fingertips here so you have a good idea. So you want to monitor and you want to send all of your emails you want to send through an inbox placement tester before you hit send on your campaign to ensure that your customers are receiving it in the inbox. There's so many things, especially with content, images, links, that could send you to the spam folder. This is just such a simple way. And as you can see, only takes a few minutes and I'm getting really quick results back. We're going to keep testing for up to 2 hours because some of them, there's delays, there's lag, there's slow. And if we didn't receive the email at all, we would call it missing. And that would mean that you were blocked completely. You never made it to the inbox. You never made it to the spam folder. You never even made it past the gate. You got blocked at the guard gate. So these are things that, again, you want that insight to figure out what's going on. And our inbox tester can help you do that.